In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for tickets on Zendesk, a fundamental skill for anyone providing customer service or technical support using this platform. Managing and responding to tickets efficiently is key to delivering top-notch support, and finding specific tickets quickly can save you a lot of time. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is to get to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. You might have to click a second time on another sign-in prompt just to confirm your action. Now it's time to enter your email address and password associated with your Zendesk account. After filling in your credentials, hit enter or click on the sign in button to access your dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage all your interactions. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a bunch of icons on the top of your dashboard. We're looking for the magnifying glass icon. This is your search tool, click on it. This action will open a search bar designed to help you find anything on Zendesk quickly. But we're focusing on tickets here, right? After clicking on the magnifying glass, you'll see several options, but you're going to want to select tickets. This narrows down your search to only ticketed items, filtering out other content like help center articles or community posts. At this stage, you're ready to hunt down the specific ticket you need. Now, in the search bar that's specifically set to look for tickets, go ahead and type in the ticket number you're looking for. If you don't have the ticket number on hand, don't worry. You can also use keywords or phrases related to the ticket's content. Hit enter, and Zendesk will work its magic, pulling up any and all tickets that match your search criteria. Scroll through the search results until you find the ticket you were looking for. It might be the first one on the list, but if it's not, Zendesk's powerful search will have brought up anything and everything relevant, so it shouldn't be too far away. Once you've laid eyes on the elusive ticket, click on it to open and view all the details. Now you're exactly where you need to be, looking at the ticket in question. From here you can respond, update the ticket status, or perform any other necessary action to move the support process forward. Remember, this entire process is about making your workflow as smooth and efficient as possible. Zendesk's search functionality is robust, designed to help you cut through the noise and locate exactly what you need when you need it. Use it to your advantage. And that's it. You now know how to find a specific ticket on Zendesk like a pro. It's a simple yet powerful skill that will help you manage your tickets more effectively, ensuring you can provide prompt, accurate responses to user queries or issues. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.